Alright, hey guys, I just wanted to show you quick how to use these Jesse Luggage bags. There are two keys on the keychain when you rent the bike. There's a silver one and a gold one. Now, the funny thing is, I have two sets of keys and they're reversed on each one. So basically, if it's sideways, it's open, and if it's up, it's locked. There's two sets here in front and back. Make sure you lock them when you're on the road, like that. Also, while I have you here, the insurance and registration is in the tan saddlebag. It's inside this pack here. That's where the insurance is at. This is a fix-a-flat and a little air compressor you can hook up to the battery if you need it. You shouldn't have a problem though. When you lock it, same way. Make sure the top is set. Snap these down and then lock it up. They can come loose if you hit a bump, but you should be good. All right, let me know if you have questions.